Hello students, myself Archana Upadhyay and I'm telling you the sixth chapter of First Flight 100 Dresses Part 2. In my last video, I told you that Peggy and Maddie went to Bogin's to find out Benda Petronsky. And now they were trying to know the house of Benda Petronsky. Finally, they reached at the place that they suppose Benda can live there. But they could not find anyone there. There was not a sign of anybody in the house. They knocked loudly on the door, but there was no answer. They went backside also, still there was no answer. And there was no doubt about it that Venda's family had moved from there. Now they were thinking how they could ever make things better, how they will be able to tell Venda sorry, how they could ever tell Venda that they think she was a wonderful child. They turned slowly back and came down the hill because they could not find Venda, so they came back from that place. Now, on the way to the home, Peggy was saying, "She has gone now. What can we do?" And she added that when I was asking her about all her dresses, she was probably getting good ideas for her drawings. Otherwise, she could not have won that contest. But Maddie didn't like this idea because she was thinking if it would have been done in this way, she would not have to feel so badly. But that night she could not get to sleep. Okay, Vanda, because she has gone and Maddie could not have things good with her. Now she was very much disturbed and she could not sleep properly. She was thinking and thinking about Benda, her faded blue dress, and and she was thinking about her faded blue dress, and she was thinking about her house, which was okay, which was shabby but clean. Now she was continuously having the picture of those 100 dresses which were made by Benda Petronsky, then that lined up in the classroom. At last, Maddie sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. Okay, she was thinking hardly. This was the hardest thinking she had ever done. Okay, she was feeling uncomfortable. She just wanted to say something to Venda Petronsky, but she was not able, and that's why she gets up. She her head tight, and then she was thinking hardly. After a long time, she reached an important conclusion, and that was means she had decided one important thing. She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. Means in her life she would never stand with someone who is doing wrong, and it would not happen that would say she would not say anything. if she ever heard anybody picking on someone. Okay, suppose someone is not having good behavior with other, she will, if someone is funny name, if someone is having a strange name or look is funny, then she will not be silent, she will speak up, and even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship also. Okay, suppose Peggy breaks her friendship with her, then she, it doesn't matter for her. She had no way of making things right with Vanda. Okay, she cannot make things right with Vanda, but from now she would not make anybody else that happy again. Just like Vanda, she would not make unhappy again to anyone else. Okay, in my next video, I'll tell you the remaining story.